Okie doke. We're going to do the legs now. So we're going to basically start out doing the same thing as the arms. We're going to parent the ankle to the knee to the hip, like so. If you double click that hierarchy, it'll select everything. You can see over there. We're going to hit apply IK. We're going to hit OK on that. And we're going to hit create IK up vector. So that's our knee control. We're going to move that out of the way a tad, like so. We're going to take the upper leg and parent it to that locator. We're going to parent that to that. And we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to take this, and then we're going to do the, what is it over here? Yeah, that goal. So we're going to take the foot like that, and we're going to control select that, and we're going to hit rotation, and do the exact same thing again. Control select that, and position. So now, what do we got when we, oh, we're on the wrong thing. Cool, right? Let's see what's going on now. But, it's all well and good, but generally you want the foot to rotate from the heel. So in order to get that to work, we're going to add another locator to the scene. We're going to choose the edge of this foot, and we're going to align work plane to selection. We're going to go back to the locator we just created, and we're going to go to setup, to work plane position. So now it's directly on the heel, like so. Reset work plane. We're going to now change the display type. So we're going to do custom, replace, let's do plane. We want to do it in Y so that it's sitting like so. We're going to make it, that's way too wide. So let's do 500 millimeters wide. And I think it was 1.4 meters long. So now that's about right in length, but we need to offset it in Z. So if you drag, oop, wrong direction. You'll notice as I drag this way, well, I can't really because I'm going off the screen. But if I type in here, 500 millimeters, it's shifting that direction. So it's 800. Too much. What is it, half of 1.4? Is that what it should be? 700 millimeters? Yeah, that's right on the edge. But, let's bring it back just a little bit. 650. Perfect. And let's offset it a little bit in X2 because it's not sitting straight. Let's try 20 millimeters. Yeah, it's better. 25 millimeters. Cool. Whoops. Also, I'm going to turn off the solid there, and we're going to change the options on this as well. So we use blue for that. Blue on the left side, red for right, according to Rich Hurry, and I would trust that guy. So now we've got a foot control, but what is it doing? Not much, right? So what we need to do is choose, oh, let's name this, by the way, so that we can, left foot control. So what we need to do is take the left hip IK goal and parent that to the foot. And now, let's see what happens. Goes up, goes out, go back, and now it should be rotating from the heel like it's supposed to. Cool, right? Let's see. Okay, so we're going to do the toe now, because as you can see, if we move the foot, this toe locator over here is not moving at all. And we need that to rotate the toes. So let us parent this to this with a P. And then let's take that and then that, so the toe and the toe locator, and do a rotation constraint on that. So now we can lift this up, like so, and if we rotate this locator, the toe is going to rotate along with it. Awesome! Let's get this back to 0, undo, undo, undo. Okay, there we go. So let's, Daniel, select that guy, and let's change to a custom shape. Let's do replace, let's do a circle. The radius is way too big. Let's try 200 millimeters. That's pretty good. And then we will do an offset in X of, I don't know, 200 millimeters there too. Let's see what happens. Not quite far enough. 250 millimeters. Oh, and let's get rid of that. Add draw options, make it blue, make sure that this is user, and now you have a working foot. This goes up, this rotates, and if you select that guy, you can rotate the toe. Pretty cool, right? So we've got now the legs and the arms. So in the next video, we'll be doing the rest of the body, or at least part of the rest of the body. I'm going to do up the right side of this guy, and then I'll see you then. Okay, bye. So, on to the rest of the body, right? Wrong. Sorry, I forgot to do this stuff. So let's give these guys a custom shape. So locator shape, custom, replace, box, pyramids, cone, cylinder. What should we do? Pyramid. I like the pyramid. And then we put it on Z, like so. So we're in the right spot. Get rid of solid. And then we'll make it the same size as our elbow controls, 150 millimeters. And once again, draw options, user, bleh, bleh, and yeah, now we're done.